Good afternoon, traders. It is Thursday, August 29th, 2013, and the U.S. stock market is closed. Well, August, the horrible month of August, gave us no respite today. We didn't do too bad on our closed out trades. We made almost $6,000 on the trades we closed out. But the Dow, it takes off. It looks like it was rallying. It was positive most of the day. And then again, as we have so often seen, it gets weakness toward the end of the day. And of course, that hurts us because we get long positions on the upswing, and then they go negative on these weak closes. I am stressed out. I am upset with this month and the way trading's been going. Actually, we started having some trouble trading at the end of July, and the spots here and there have gotten to be longer patches, and we really got creamed here at the end of this month. I'm very frustrated. I went back and I actually looked at the trades for all of August, and quite unbelievably, we made money in August. So I'm not, we still got tomorrow, but as things are on the close today, we actually are positive, and that's pretty amazing. Looks like we have about $25,000 positive. But I think the point to that isn't a good month, but the point to keep in mind is if you're trading this, you're not, you still have your account, you haven't lost the family ranch, things actually seem to be going along, and you actually have a little bit of profit. So I got to feel slightly encouraged by that. We are, as I say, we made almost $6,000 a day, but we're carrying almost $5,000 in negative open trade equity going into tomorrow. I don't like to see it. When you look at the trades, what happened was something hideous. We trade this market called DGAZ, which is Velocity Shares. It's actually a short in natural gas. It's been a good market for us in the past. But yesterday we got killed in Velocity Shares. We lost over $4,000 on it. And then what happens? We get into it again today. It's got this big spike up. We buy the very top of the market, and then it dives into the toilet. So we're carrying over $4,000 negative again in Velocity Shares going into tomorrow. I mean, this is really frustrating. I mean, the whole market's been frustrating. So, unfortunately, that's the way it went today. Let's take a look at the charts. Okay, we're looking at the Dow Jones Industrial Average, and you can see what happened today. The market opened lower, but immediately started to rally. We have pretty decent, up here, and of course up here is where we start buying stuff, unfortunately, and then weakness comes into the market. And if you've been following my videos all year, I've been saying, when weakness comes in the market, the traders come in and buy it because it's a bull market and everything. What's been happening in the last few weeks is when strength comes in the market, they sell it. And of course, that hurts us. I don't like to see it. Not sure what it means, but I will tell you the market is not acting like a bull market right now. It just may be just a correction phase. I think that's probably most likely, but it is very frustrating to be trading on the long side. I'll show you a couple trades that we had today that are kind of interesting. This is the monster. I mean, if you want to tear out your hair as a trader, look at this. This is in Velocity Shares, DGAZ, a short on natural gas, and back on Tuesday, Tuesday, we bought this thing on this gap up, and then it immediately tanked. And then yesterday, it looked like, hey, maybe we're going to get out of this okay. No, it comes back down. When we get out of it, we're down $4,000 on that. Okay, wash your hands of Velocity shares. Don't think about it anymore. Look at this insanity. It gaps down this morning, and then it does this wild shot up. We buy it right there at the tippy top of the market, and it fails. And we are holding over $4,000 again. This time it's open trade. We don't know what the heck's going to happen tomorrow. And yeah, bad market. I'm tempted to throw it in the ash can, but it has been good for us in the past, so I'll probably hold it for a while, see what happens. Anyway, this, not to leave you on such a negative note, this is Cirrus Logic, CRUS. We bought this yesterday. It kept going. Very nice controlled market. We get out here. We made almost $5,000 in Cirrus Logic. That was our one good trade, and probably accounted for most of that $6,000 in profit we had today. Hey, this is Trader Bob. I am probably going to turn my account over to a friend to trade tomorrow, take my son out of school, and go to San Francisco. I am stressed out. I need a little rest. So I may not be showing trades live tomorrow on the website, but when I get back on the weekend, I will certainly post all those trades so you can see what happened on Friday, and I assure you on Tuesday I will be back trading again. So this is Trader Bob. Have a nice Labor Day weekend, and we'll see you next week.